Hello, beautiful planet girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn from Digital Plants. Yes, we are in October, guys. Oh, can you believe that? I am so excited. I do really love October because the weekly kits, I think, are absolute fire. I am excited about pulling out all of my Halloween stuff and just use it up. It is going to be my birthday on the 23rd, 23. So I need to do a birthday kit, which I have an idea, but you guys let me know if it's crazy and I need to pick another kit or what, or if you think it's cool. I don't know. I'm indecisive about it. I have an idea that I would love to execute, but we'll see. The next one is my little sister's birthday, and I did show her a million and one kit, and she decided on one, so I have a kit for that ready to go. It's a very Halloween-esque kit. And then next week, which is I guess in the November tag, which will be this one, we do have Halloween on Monday, so I definitely want to do a full-on Halloween kit. And then that'll leave us with a couple of weeks to plan. Now, this one was the Hocus Pocus week, and it's all ready for me to go ahead and fill it out. Isn't that so gorgeous? I am super obsessed with this kit. I absolutely love it. Anyways, so we need two kits here: my birthday, my little sister kit, which is all ready to go. I already know which one it is, and then we need to fill in a Halloween kit. Now, let's go into my little organization here. This is what I want to do for my birthday. Yes, a supernatural inspired kit. Now, this is from Love to Plan 92, and I'm pretty sure she's already closed. I don't think she is selling kits anymore, but I have found this art in other shops where you can buy it if you want to do a supernatural kit, because I don't want to show kits and show stuff that you can't get anymore in case you want to also use them. But I love Supernatural, and the thing is, I haven't finished the TV show. I was missing only 2 episodes to finish it up, and I was a complete chicken and I couldn't finish it. I was so scared to finish it up. I don't know why, but I feel maybe the week of my birthday I could finish up the TV show that I've been loving for ages. I think it's my number 1 TV show. Finish that up and use the kit and just cry and eat a lot of junk food. So I thought that could be the idea of it. What do you guys think? Do you think that's no, you need to actually pick a Halloween kit because it's October, or a birthday kit? What do you guys think? But I would love to use these. I would really love to use this, and I will of course have to make some foil for these. I guess I'll show you also. I did found some kits. So this is from Plan Ahead Printables, and I really love it. This is such a cute little, it's more a chibi type of style. This is so cute. You can find that in her shop. And then this is definitely the same art, but it's a little bit different. Creating and Co apparently, and this looks really cute. So definitely love that. If you want to have the same kit vibes, this is the same art. I love that box. Okay, so this is from the Scrappy Fox shop. So those are some options if you want to use the kit, just to let you guys know where you can find it. So you guys let me know, do you think this is a good idea? Do you think this is a crazy idea? I am actually kind of really excited about it. I would love to use this kit. Next week, my little sister's birthday. This is the kit that she decided she liked. This one is called Tricks and Treats by the Planner Shack, and it is such a Halloween beautiful kit. It's got all of the Halloween vibes. It's got a bunch of movies, the girls watching The Nightmare Before Christmas, some pumpkins, just everything. I love this little, with all of the pots, and it's just so cute. So this is the vibes, and I just, this is so her, because she does really love Halloween. So this is a fantastic kit, and I'm thinking for foil, probably just gonna use the Halloween ones. Let's figure this out actually. I mean, we could use these, which is a witch's one, but I feel the pumpkin color would be really cute. Let's see. Let's just copy one of these and see how that looks. This would be really cute. This would be really cute. So I feel we can do a mix of that and maybe some silver or something. These are all fall ones, I feel like. So I think that's a really cute kit. Maybe we could even do something like this, which is like more bloody. I don't know if we like the bloody ones. I think I might have to do like a Halloween. Oh, this is perfect. This is the silver Halloween one. I think this will also look really cute. And I feel like I can mix and match between the silver. The silver looks fire. We can mix between the Halloween silver and then this witchy one in the orange. I think that's going to be the vibe, you know, just like the perfect Halloween kit. So I am excited about that. Okay, this one I will either have to make a kit or just use, I'm like, I could use the, like, what is it? The happy birthday one, like the birthday kit, but I don't think that's appropriate for the kids. So I might have to do some supernatural inspired, like quotes and just like a whole foil bundle. If you guys want it to also be in the shop, let me know and I'll put it up. But I'm just gonna use that and probably not care what anyone says because I am excited about it. I'm just gonna feel like doing whatever my heart desires. Now, I have a couple of things that I want to do. Now, I do have 2 weekly here's to fill out, and I'm pretty sure that one of them is gonna be Elena by the Pink Planner Shop, which is like a Vampire Diaries inspired kit, which is somewhere in here. Okay, there we go. And I did make this foil bundle. This is Vampire in, I think, Vampire Red, and it is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this, and I will be using it with that kit. This is like a little bit of like a sample of how that looks like, and I do have it in here. So let me show you how that looks. This one, oh my god, I love it. Welcome to Mystic Fall. You have like the Salvatore brothers and like the Polaroids, a little Damon pic here. This is supposed to be Elena or Catherine, I guess, and just like everything is perfect, and I love this. I definitely think that looks so freaking cute, and I do have the foil for it already. Like, what else can we need? Now, shall we do that this week or this week? I feel like more towards this one, because that way we'll have like the Vampire Diaries inspired kit and then right after the Supernatural inspired kit, and to me that would be everything. So I am excited about it. Like, I am really excited about these like October lineup kits, and then I feel like this is going like more fandom related right into the spooky ones, and then it's gonna be like the Halloween one. So I'm excited about that. This makes sense to me. And then we're just missing one kit. Now I have this one, Cookie by Pink Planner Shop, which is just like an Addams Family inspired. It's gonna be like a Wednesday series coming out. I don't know like when, where, or why, but this is a vibe. I do really love it. Maybe we can use that. What else can we do? I have that, and then what else? It's like my fandom related folder. So I also really wanted to do this, but I haven't watched the TV show. I really want to, because like I love me some Matt Smith. I did watch him on Doctor Who and I loved it. I mean, like we could go with like the Hellfire by Pink Planner Shop, which is like inspired by the Stranger Things TV show, obviously, and it's like the upside down version, and she has like the regular version with the Hawkins one. So I kind of really want to use that. Like, I really kind of want to use this. It could be this one or it could be this one, because like it will go with like the fandom related stuff. But also I do have like a Halloween here, Halloween slash witches that I would like to use, which is brewed by Paper Crown Planner. This is so cute. Look at that girl. Like, this has all of the witchy vibes. Another really witchy one. It's like more like a lovey one. Full Moon by Pink Planner Shop is also really cute. Moon Magic Sounds. Oh, this would be really cute for that week. I think it would be like a cute transition between the like fall kits to like the Halloween kits, and then probably I'll be back on the fall kits, but you know, like a little transition would be cute. It is like pretty pink, and I might be able to get away with some fall quotes on top, like right here would be really cute, maybe here. I see like potential in this one, you know? I feel like this would be a really good Also like a breakdown to have like a little bit of pink and then go into the madness of all of the like really dark kits, maybe. Then we also have Haunted House by the Planner Shack, which is like really spooky, so I don't know. I also have this one. This is really cute. Corpse Bride by Pink Planner Shop. This is cute. This is really, really cute. But I feel like when I see things like this that are like more fandom or like a movie themed, I need like special foil for it. I don't know why. I just that's the way my brain works. I really like this one. I think that's gonna be like a really good decision to make for this one. October 3rd? Is it 3rd? To 9th. So it's actually this week. Yeah. I mean, like, it's got like the vibes, right? And I think it would be really cute to add a little bit of pink to all of the spreads. This is such a cute, like, I love this art. I think it's so cute. I love the colors of it. And then we're getting like right into like the more spooky vibes, but like also not. This is more like a fandom one. So we have Elena by the Pink Planner Shop. I do have the vampire foil to go, and also this foil will go like any vampire kit that you have, really. We have my birthday, which is gonna be supernatural. I just really have to, you guys. Like, I have to. My little sister's birthday, which she chose this, which is like the perfect kit for this week. And then we're just missing like a Halloween one, right? Now, which is gonna be into November, I guess. Now, I'm not like 100% sure about those. So why don't we go into Etsy? Why not? And see a little bit of the kits here. I do have some stuff in my cart. I don't remember what it is. Let's check it out. Okay, that's the one for my little sister, so we are sure about that. And I have saved some of them. Ooh, I have Devilish, which I also need to finish that TV show. Wouldn't that be cute to have like another TV show inspired one? And maybe some foil with like some like devil like theme to it? That would be like, it could be a possibility. I also really love this art. I feel like it's so cute. It looks like really classy, but like really spooky, and I love the hair with the bow, and there's like a really cute vibe. I feel like you could use any Halloween kit, but also like foil on top, but also like a locks would be cute. I don't know. But I'm really tempted about this because it's so cute. So I feel like we have between those two, this is like a scary movie one, which we could definitely use like the bloody red foil on top. So I have 3 different ones, but this is not really like a Halloween kit, is it? It's like more like scary movie kits. So I feel like my choices will be between this one and the other one. So I'm just gonna take a screenshot to like not forget what I'm thinking of using. So you guys get to pick the I guess like the foil bundle for that. Not the foil bundle, oh god. You guys get to pick the kit that I'm gonna be using that week. So let me know in the comments down below, or shoot me a little message on Instagram, whatever you want, so that I know what kit to use, because I don't know, I'm in between these two. Which ones do you think would be the vibe to go? I feel like this will go with like the flow of all of the like fandom TV show related kits, but also like I really need some more like Halloween kits. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know, should I be using the Devilish one, which is like the TV show inspired by Lucifer, or should I be using this with like this really beautiful classy kit called Haunted House by Pink? What is this one? Oh, this is by the Planner Shack. So cute. I love it. So let me know in the comments down below. Definitely help me out with these because I have no idea and I have 2 choices. So let me know in the comments down below and you'll be like choosing my kit for this year's Halloween kit. Yay! So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Maybe we'll do like a really quick recap following the Salem Sisters kit. We're gonna go into October with this really beautiful kit, which is like fall vibes, but like getting into October spooky season with some like really cute coffee, etc. Really pretty with some fall quotes on top. and just like all the vibes. And then we're gonna go into like the more spooky ones. So we have this really beautiful kit. We're gonna play with these foil for like these vampire ones, and this is a Vampire Diaries inspired kit. Love that. Let me know what you think about this crazy idea of using the Supernatural inspired kit for my birthday and just like filming the TV show that week and just like using this. And then this is like set in stone. We have these Tricks and Treats by the Planner Shack. Super cute, perfect for this vibe. And we have a couple of options. We have the Halloween foil in silver, and then the witching one and the pumpkin orange. So beautiful. And I feel like we're gonna mix and match those two foils because it's gonna look really cute. And the last one, you decide. Do let me know, devilish or haunted house. Let me know down below, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful planner girls in my next video. Bye bye.